morning, first one of the day, returning client with his Suzuki Hyabusa. This is going to get one of our full works packages. That is going to get everything thrown at it, a two-stage machine polish on all this body work, and then we're going to treat it with the signature 4K ceramic. So this will have a 5 years worth of protection. All the lower half will get the XCP clear coat, just making sure to keep any rust at bay. Get all these wheels all cleaned up. I did have a request not to polish these exhausts, which is a first. Nevertheless, we will get it all minted, get some machine polishing done on this bodywork, get some ceramic on it, get it looking like it should. This is going to be a half a day project. Let's get cracking. Okay, Hyabusa is now all washed. Back in the studio, just been blow drying it, doing a bit of a paint inspection. This paintwork is a mess. Typical black shows every single mark, so we've got quite a bit of paint correcting to do on this before we apply any ceramic. Oh, what the hell is that? Got some proper ingrained bugs. So yeah, we got some polishing to do. Once we've done that, we will crack on with the application of the ceramic. I'm going to polish those wheels as well. We will apply the ceramic by airbrush to all the lower half and by hand to this top. So let's see if we can improve this paintwork. Give me an hour. All right, just loading this Hyabusa. Look at the freaking gloss on that. Absolutely on point. Good old signature 4K ceramics. This had the Signature Pro, Signature Quartz on the wheels, Signature Pro on all the bodywork. Now fully protected for the years ahead. Let's get this bad boy loaded up, as it's just starting to rain.